Damay mo na yung computers ko. Bilang binenta ni Aling Tere doon kay Billy. Ayop.
Pero, saan dinala?
Do-donate daw.
Saan donate? Eh, kailangan natin yun.
Di na, wag na. Kanya na yun. Ikaw na kailangan yung mga yun. May iba akong plano kay Billy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I know we made the right decision choosing you.
We are so excited for this collab.
Well, I'm just so grateful I did not take the bait.
Yes, because the original idea came from the newest member of the Pebbling family. Hindi po sa Billy na yun.
Well, she's a gem for sure, kaya wag niyo nang pakawalan yan.
Naku, ma'am. Salamat po.
Dahil dyan, cheers!
Girls, thank you for going the extra mile for this. Pasensya na kung umabot pa tayo sa may kailangan pang masaktan.
Lahat naman tayo naniniwala sa love listing. I'm okay.
Alam niyo, nakakaasar lang talaga yung Abby na yan. Kung hindi niya kinuha yung love fees, edi sana may nilalaunch tayo ngayon.
Wala na tayong magagawa. Ang di mababago, papalapit na ng papalapit yung meeting natin with the investors. So we have no choice but to come up with a solid plan today.
I think it's too late for that.
Why?
Look, oh.
Mga dapat na investors natin.
That list, that was on my laptop. Pinagawan mo ako ng company profile per investor, Chief, remember?
Okay, tama na yan. We have pizza! Break muna. Pizza break muna! So, break muna tayo. Pizza?
Mga kapatid, sabay-sabay natin abangan ang Someone Someday sa TV5 at sa Kapatid Livestream sa TV5 official YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe.